What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another week's video. The last few weeks I mentioned I've been away doing some work, and in the first week I was away, a big tornado rolled through the area, the Ottawa River here, right where I'm at now, the first rapid McCoys chute, and pretty much touched down on this island behind me. I haven't actually been out to see what it looks like now, and I thought it'd be kind of interesting just to take you guys along with me while I kind of survey what it looks like now versus how it used to look before. Just kind of capture a little bit of that. I know that the rafting companies who run this river every day were out in kind of force, and a lot of local kayakers were out helping out too, to kind of cut trees back and get the portage trails open again. But I'm kind of just curious to know what it's going to look like, and just see some of the differences. So I've got the drone. We're going to do some drone flybys. I'm about to go run by and walk through the portage trail for the first time. So yeah, I thought you'd just come along with me. We could check out some of the differences that tornado damage can do. And yeah, not too much to say really, just kind of say wow and marvel at the changes, which is my prediction. All right, let's go. And you can see as we get like kind of a bit closer to it, there's just like huge giant trees completely upended by their roots. Wow. Oh my God. That's usually just like a rapid called pinball. It's like a narrow, pretty clear chute. Looks fully choked up at this point. Wow. Ooh. All right, switch to handheld here. So you can see someone has been working hard with a chainsaw in here, just trying to get this path cleaned up so they can keep going for rafting. But this used to be kind of really thick and dense vegetation in here. Now it's like, you know, almost open and clear all the way through. That used to be like really dark, a lot of tall trees. Wow. Oh my God. Wow, this used to be really tall trees up in here, like some 60, 100-foot trees probably. Like a lot of trees like kind of this size or bigger, that size probably. Just totally flattened. Wow. Yeah, this was all super thick. Big trees like this guy that's down here, like, wow. That's where the trail used to go. Unbelievable. Probably stood out on this rock like hundreds of times. No trees. Tree line shouldn't start till like further back over there. See if we can keep picking through. island's pretty much flattened. It's kind of unbelievable. I knew it was crazy. Casey Bryant Jones posted this great before and after photo, like a drone photo. I'll try and put on the screen now. But this is like crazier than I was expecting. Wow. I would say these trees used to be like that size all the way across to like there. What's up, man?
Not much. What's doing?
Surveying. Insane. Well, I'm gonna fly the drone here, so that's gonna be probably the remainder of this video. It's a couple little flyovers, but really glad no one was hurt. That's kind of the moral of the story of this one. Like, you know, no one was injured, so that's great. But yeah, pretty incredible to see like full-scale tornado damage here. Yeah, glad no one was hurt, glad no one was in the way, glad nobody's house got wrecked. But man, yeah, it's crazy. All right, here's some drone flyover stuff, and I'm somewhat at a loss for words, unfortunately. I mean, it's nature, right? So it can happen.